गाइस और कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सब बढ़िया होंगे। मैं भी एकदम बढ़िया हूँ। So let's start with this VPropel question of the day. The name of today's question is count same positions. So basically in this question we have been given a number n and we have been told that we have to sort this number n in ascending order of digits. And after that we have to print the position of digits which contains the same value before sorting the number n and after sorting the number n, which means that what I want to say is when you sort the number n, we are storing it in a variable named as m. So we have to print the position of digits in n that has same variable that has same value in m. So first of all we are taking the number as input and then converting it to a list. So then I'm going to sort the list n, sorted sorted n. Now I'm going to run a for loop for I in range, and I'm going to run this for loop the number of times the length of the number n. And now I'm going to check that if ith element in n is equal to ith element in m, then print the position value, that is I plus 1. But why I'm doing I plus 1 is because Python considers indexing from 0, but in normal life we consider indexing from 1. That's why if the value of I is 0, we will get the output value as 0 plus 1, that is 1. So that's why I'm going to check that it's correct or not. So yeah, our code is completely correct and it has passed all the test cases. So the list of people who shared their code with us are Jay Patel, Chinmay Thumallapali, Pranav Balaji, Muralidharan, Ananya Sundar, Meet Bhardiwala, and Sai Nikhil. So congratulations guys, as you solved the question within 2.5 hours and passed all the test cases and shared your code with us. So thank you very much. So this was Utkarsh signing off for the day. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Keep learning, keep coding.